Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox UGC. User-generated content, or UGC, is a fantastic way for creators to design and sell virtual items directly to players. This program significantly expands the variety of accessories, clothing, and other unique items available for avatars. It empowers a global community of talented developers to share their creativity and enrich the Roblox platform for millions of users every day. To become a UGC creator, you first need to meet certain eligibility requirements. This often involves demonstrating a strong understanding of three-dimensional modeling software and Roblox Studio. The application process ensures that creators can produce high-quality content that adheres to Roblox's strict guidelines. Once accepted, you gain access to tools and resources to start bringing your unique visions to life for the community. Once you are an approved creator, the fun begins. You'll design your three-dimensional assets using external software like Blender or Maya. After creating your item, you'll import it into Roblox Studio for texturing, rigging, and any final adjustments. Finally, you upload your finished item to the marketplace. It then undergoes a review process to ensure it meets all quality and safety standards before becoming available for purchase. Players can easily purchase your UGC items using Robux directly from the avatar shop, just like any other official item. As a creator, you earn a percentage of each sale, typically around 30%, providing a fantastic opportunity for monetization. This system not only rewards creators for their hard work, but also enriches the entire Roblox platform with an incredibly diverse and constantly evolving catalog of unique content for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.